Well, hello friends, it's Running Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 7th to the 13th. This is week 3 of this new format of the Walgreens ad. If you're very displeased with it, I encourage you to get in touch with them, email or call. It's really hard to read this ad, but I did go through it. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is this morning, which is November the 5th, I got 2 boosters in my 2 accounts. This one is a 5 back when you spend 20. It's valid from the 7th to the 13th, so this is not activated until Sunday morning. And then in my second account, a 15 back when you spend 60. So I'm going to have to get very creative and make a monster basket, but I think that's very, very doable with this flyer. A lot of great deals. Now, if you might have one of these paper ones, yes, you can stack it. For this one, if you're pairing it with the 5 off or the 5 back when you spend 20, you'd have to buy 25, obviously. Okay, so obviously check your digital coupons folder at the very top. That's where they're usually at, and load it right away. It's valid from the 7th to the 13th, and it is of a one-time use. And you can stack the one paper and the one digital, as I just showed you in the slides previous. For the balance after coupons, use your debit, credit card, or cash bills to pay the balance down. Do not use Walgreens cash or it will create a mess. And do not use any store register rewards, IVC, or like Walgreens coupons with this because it'll reduce down the value of your basket. Now, I saw this also in the ad from the 11th to the 14th. They're going to give 20% off for military and veterans for regular priced merchandise over at Walgreens. So nothing with the sales price, but regular price. Now, this is what they usually do leading right up to Christmas. Every week, there will be one item in their Christmas section at 50% off, and it's this Sitting Dragon Unicorn plush. It was $20, and now the unicorn is $9.99. Okay, so this is the first freebie in this flyer. It is for the Tresemme hair care. It's 2 for $10. We are going to have a digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. And then when you buy 2 of them, you're getting back a $5 register reward. I'm thinking that's a store register reward, but hey, it still makes it free. So here it is, guys. Grab 2 of these for 10. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're paying 5 out of pocket and getting back a $5 register reward. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without boosters, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $5 register reward. Okay, so the next little freebie that we have is with the Crest. These guys are $4. We're going to have a 3 off of 2 digital and then $5 reward when you purchase 2. So how lovely is that? So grabbing 2 of these, that is $8 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $5 and then getting back a $5 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to get your register reward, and it's a really smart flip. It's like even Steven. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Huggies, these jumbo packs of diapers or pull-ups. They are 2 for $20. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital and then a $5 register reward when you buy $10 of this. Now, if you might be so lucky to have this, which is the 5 back when you spend 20, load it. Let's get some inexpensive diapers. Grabbing 2 bags for $20, subtracting that 4 off of 2, and along with having your booster loaded, which is a 5 back when you spend 20, you're going to pay $16 out of pocket with your debit card and then get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per bag of diapers. That's a fire price point. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance because we're using a spend booster. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Huggies is part of their catalog. You will get something back for this purchase. Okay, so here's a really good deal, and this just doesn't come around a lot. So if you suffer from migraine headaches, you know the value here. These 100 counts of the Excedrin pain relief. So whichever you want, if you want extra strength, the tension headache, they have a whole bunch of different types. This is a really good deal. So you're buying 20 and then getting back 10, and we have a $1.50 digital. So let's pair it with this if you might have it, which is a 5 back when you spend 20. So pick and choose wisely what you want to use this booster on. And as we only have one digital coupon, last week we were getting so many register rewards. So if you have this one, if you look at the very top, see how it says manufacturer? Thus, yes, we can use this with a spend booster. If it said store coupon, you could not. So grabbing 2 of the Excedrin 100 count, they're $11.99 a pop. That's $23.98. We're going to load our 5 back when you spend $20, along with loading that $1.50 digital coupon on Sunday morning, and then presenting one $4 register reward. You're going to pay $18.48 with your debit card, and then get back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the Excedrin promotion, 5 for the booster, making it $3.48 for the 2. And let's not forget to not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one because it is a spend booster. Do not. Okay, so now it's $4.99 for 3 of these Angel Softs, and you'll get a $3 register reward when you buy 3, and there will be a 50-cent digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So it is for Quilted or Angel Soft. It is your choice. I don't know which one I'm going to get, but I might want to do this deal. If you have one of these boosters, let's throw it in with this little dealio. And then if you have a paper one, let's also throw that in. And then we're going to grab some of that Tresemme and then one of these guys to balance our basket right to $25, and they're 33 cents per caramel. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, we are grabbing 3 of the Quilted Northern toilet papers, that is $14.97. 2 Tresemmes for $10, the shampoo that I showed you at the beginning of the video. 1 of the caramels at checkout for 33 cents. Do not forget your caramel. So the total here is $25.30. We have our digital booster and our paper booster. We're going to get the cashier to scan it. And then $5.50 in digital coupons. We have the 5 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the 50-cent for the Quilted Northern. So you're paying $19.80 with your debit card, getting back a $3 register reward for the Quilted, and then the $5 register reward for the Tresemme, and then $12 in Walgreens cash, 7 for the paper booster, and then 5 for the digital booster. So it essentially makes this guy completely for free, which is awesome. Let's remember not to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. And guys, I forgot to mention this. Tresemme is part of Unilever, so Fetch Rewards will give you back extra points for this purchase. So photograph your receipt to the Fetch app for this purchase because you will get back extra points for the Tresemme. Okay, so now we're looking at the Viva paper towel or the Cottonelle products. They are $4.99, which is a really great price point for these papers. If you're a paper towel snob, Viva is the best. So you know what I would do? Last week we were getting this $4 register reward. Throw in one of those and you're paying 99 cents. I think that's just a super smart move. Now this is kind of interesting to purchase 2 of these Walgreens cold and flu medications, get back a $3 register reward. And those cold medications at $10.99, that would be like $22. It's not cheap. But here's something weird that I found at the store. Well, I found some on clearance for $1.49. So if you buy 2 of them, it's $3 to get back a $3 register reward. If that'll print, that's really awesome. So why I didn't buy these is because they had such a quick expiry date, but maybe your store, it won't be such a quick expiry date. Clearance is always your mileage may vary as well, but grabbing 2 of them, that would be $2.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, it's free. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, use it to earn this register reward, that's fine. But as I didn't buy them because the expiry date was next February, and that is a whole lot of cold medication. Am I going to get sick? I don't know, but that was just so much. I would be in outer space if I even tried all of that. So I just left it at the store. Okay, IBOTTA, we have a free offer for the 20 ounce of the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. If you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, 1,500 points on the same item. So grabbing one of these Mountain Dew Zeros, the 20 ouncer, find it in the cooler section. That's $2.03. IBOTTA is going to give you back $1.98. Fetch is going to give you back 1,500 points, which is basically $1.50, making this free plus $1.47. Money maker. So if you get thirsty when you're running around doing your extreme couponing, you might want to throw this on the list, this free little drink. Okay, so now a little gift card offer, $10 Walgreens gift card when you purchase 2. Now this is kind of always weird, so I'm going to just explain it really in detail in this video. If you get a $15 Domino's and Chili's, So $30, two $15 gift cards, you're going to get that 10. If you get the Children's Place or Instacart, it would have to be 25 each. You'll get 10. So for the two Domino's, you would pay $30, so 15 on each, and then get that $10 Walgreens gift card. You're going to pay 30 at checkout. So $15 for each for two Domino's, so it's $30, and then you get the $10, for free. And then for Instacart or Gymboree, you'd have to buy 25 on each, so $50 for the $10 gift card. So, a lot of us do these for stocking stuffers. This might be the time to start picking up these little items for little Christmas gifts. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, and there are quite a few here that I have picked out. Obviously, if you go to your IBOTTA account, there's lots of free drinks over at Walgreens. This tea and this little bubbly, so hey, get some free drinks. We also have the buy two get one for free on various, cheaper children's toys and activities. If you have a big shopping list, maybe use some Walgreens cash and buy a couple of gifts. And then some cheaper food. We have 2 for $6 for the Doritos. So it's like $3 per bag, and a BOGO 50% off on various frozen food. Now we have some Lifesavers and different gummy products, 2 for $4. Maybe that would make an inexpensive stocking stuffer with some Walgreens cash. And 2 for $7. The Grinch Kisses, I wonder about those. That kind of has my interest. They're 2 for $7. Still too expensive for this girl. Cheaper, we have the $2.49 for the Reese's Holiday Candy. This seems like a better deal, and there's $1 off too, so we'll have to see what that's all about. Maybe we'll get some really inexpensive Reese's Peanut Butter Cups next week. And we have the Oscar Mayer Bacon 2 for $8. This is a fabulous price point. If you go to any grocery store, it's like $6.99 for one packet of bacon. It's gone crazy expensive. So this is a really good price point. Use some Walgreens cash, throw it in your freezer, and that is a Christmas morning feast. And buy 2 get 1 for free on Coca-Cola, and DiGiorno pizza 2 for $11. That's usually 2 for $10. That has gone up a little bit, hasn't it? So, but even 2 for $11, not the worst price point for those frozen pizzas. And the General Mills cereal, $1.88, and we're going to have $1 off too, so it'll drop it down to $1.38 per box. Check IBOTTA and the different rebates if something might pop up on Sunday morning. Pour vous. And the final deal is some more inexpensive soda, 3 for $9.99. So if you need to stock up, this might be a stock up price for you. I would absolutely use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one and make a deal happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.